Hans Tung of GGV Capital. Thanks for joining us here at TechCrunch Beijing.
It's good to be here. Thank you, Sarah.
Good to have you. All right, so you are a pretty impressive investor, and a lot of people who are watching this, because they're familiar with TechCrunch, of course, know GGV Capital from Sand Hill Road. Now, you are back and forth from China, as you explained to me, basically every month, all year long.
That's correct.
So why so much travel?
The world's becoming a lot more global. You look at mobile internet, it's at 2 billion devices now. It's going to be 4 billion in the next 5 years. If the world is becoming more global, opportunities become more global, we need to be more global as well. So we want to connect China, US with the rest of the world, invest in companies that will be able to take advantage of that trend.
And why is there so much emphasis on the US and China kind of synergizing their startup and tech worlds?
Right.
Why is there so much effort put into those two countries specifically?
Good question, because that's the two markets that matter. US is a hotbed for innovation, anybody knows that. China, when I moved to China in 2005, e-commerce in China was like this tall. And then now, Chinese e-commerce market is bigger than US e-commerce market. And Chinese outbound travel market is the fastest growing in the world. It's larger than US and Germany combined. Because it's such an enormous market, if you want to go global, China has to be part of the thing you look at.
Now, you specialize in something called cross-border e-commerce. For anybody who's not familiar with what that is, what kind of companies are we talking about?
I'm an investor in a company called Wish, that's based in San Francisco. They have 6 of the top 31 shopping apps on Google Play in the US. That's Wish, Wish Local, Geek, Mama, Cute, Home, etc. And they have products from all over the world. They sell to users in US, Europe, and Latin America. And the fact that they can grow so big in only 4 years is very interesting on cross-border can do. Basically, they're doing what eBay and Amazon should be doing, but not doing as much. We're also an investor in a company called Red in Shanghai. They import goods from US, Europe, elsewhere, Japan, Korea, into China. So you see a lot of iPhone users in China, Samsung users in China that love to buy goods from overseas that's coming through Red. So we see both trends happening and growing very fast.
So now, do they get some sort of a discount if they're shopping through Red rather than just going to an Apple store?
Well, on Red, there's a lot of influencers who share what they buy. So a lot of users who aspire to have a better life, looking for tips on beauty products, nutrition products, health products, and so forth, they love to get tips from influencers. So it's a play of discovery. On mobile, the screen is so small, you cannot find goods, compare prices that easily. So whoever can show you something that's personalized, that fits your lifestyle, you're much more likely to buy it immediately. And that impulse shopping for the right product, right tips, is what drives mobile commerce cross-border.
Since I've been in Beijing, which has only been about 3 days so far, one of the things I've noticed is that there's always some sort of an app that, last night it was WeChat, that someone was showing me WeChat moments.
Yeah.
And I said, WeChat is sort of like WhatsApp, right? And everyone went, no, not at all. It's not even sort of the same. It seems like the Chinese market, the population will get focused on something and it's like something that everybody uses.
Right.
So what's the next WeChat? I mean, is it just the one-stop solution for everyone?
I think WeChat's becoming the next WeChat. On WeChat now, you can exchange money.
Yeah.
So you have a WeChat app, I have a WeChat app, I'm selling you something, and I want the money from you. All you have to do is set an amount on your WeChat app. I just have to scan it with a QR code that's self-generated on your app, and money transferred to my account. WhatsApp doesn't do that. WeChat's becoming a bank. It's no longer just a mobile messaging platform. And in China, you're going to see other apps that are going to solve some kind of offline economy need that using a mobile solution. Again, using e-commerce as an example. 10 years ago, there's no e-commerce in China. Now, 14% of retail happens online. In the US, it's only 7%. In Japan, it's only 3%. It's possible in the next 5 years, 1/3 of all transactions will happen online on mobile instead of offline. And that's just the retail market. There will be other sectors that get disrupted as well.
You know, in the US, you could probably liken that most closely to something like Facebook Messenger, right? Facebook Messenger is a chat app, but now you can transfer money between people, you can buy stickers, you can do a variety of different things.
They're learning from WeChat.
I'm sure they are. Does the Chinese market want Facebook? Does the Chinese population care about Facebook?
Good question.
Facebook is so strong pretty much everywhere else.
Yeah, you know, iPhone's doing well in China. Starbucks, Haagen-Dazs, ice cream, KFC are doing pretty well in China as well. There are a certain segment of the population that are looking for more westernized, more diversified offering. So it's not just about what's happening in China, but also what's happening elsewhere as well. So I think along the same spirit, I think there's going to be a certain segment of users who will like Facebook for its nationalness, for its open feel. The fact that Mark has come to China twice in the last year and spoke in Chinese at Tsinghua University, scored him a lot of points with Chinese users. I think that man, in his lifetime, could do a lot more than almost anyone else for Sino-China relations. So it will be very interesting to watch him and see how he can continue to evolve and contribute.